So my accident was in October. I was in the middle lane with nowhere to go, and I got rear-ended by someone that seemed to be distracted. Pretty bad. I mean, my neck, shoulders, your usual, yeah. We actually looked it up, and we looked up best law practices, and you guys were like the first one to come up, so we were like, let's go with Brooks. Oh my gosh, it was so seamless. Angie's been on top of everything. She's my case manager. She reaches out to me via text or email, whatever's convenient for me, and even when I'm working, she's completely understanding, and she's always there. And when things seemed complicated, she was able to uncomplicate them. And I spoke to Roberto. Yep, and he was very nice. He very communicative and explained the process and my options and what we could and couldn't do, and it was very thorough. I would definitely use you guys again. Hopefully I don't have to. Oh, definitely. I would point them to Brooks all the way. Definitely use Brooks for all your personal injury needs. Hopefully I don't need to, but I'll recommend them to a friend. Thank you guys so much for everything.